So today we're going to install a cat scratching post. So what we found is that our cats really like this 8mm hemp rope, which they, as you can see down here, one of them is busy scratching away at. So to put this on the post, there's a few things that we have. To make the hemp rope easy to handle and to cut so it doesn't unravel, we just take a bit of duct tape, the fabric tape, and you just wrap it around the rope, because the ends will unravel very quickly, and then cut it, and that gives you an easy end for threading. Now, for an 8mm rope, to be able to get it through the wood post, we use a 10mm drill bit and just protect the floor to collect some of the dust. And then drilling through. And then we start threading the hemp rope. Make a knot. You can pull back till that's tight, and then because we don't want to look at blue duct tape, we just cut off the end. And now the slow part is wrapping round the wood column and just keeping this tight. So just keep working this around and going as high as you want to go. Now this is the boring part to watch, so we're going to take a break and come back to it once we're near the top. And you just want to make sure that you're keeping it pushed down and tight, because you don't want the rope to move when the cats are scratching on it. Okay. Well, we just continue wrapping. And pulling the hemp rope tight as we wrap the wood post. Now we're almost at the top where we want to finish this, so I need to drill a new hole to hold it. But if you want to let go of the hemp rope, either to finish it off here or while sorting out twisted rope on the way up, a piece of duct tape works really well just to hold that in place so it doesn't unravel. So drill the next hole. And we're done with the drill. Just brush off the little bit of the sawdust. And we'll continue wrapping until we're ready to feed in the last bit of rope. And keep pushing it down so it's tight. And to prevent the end of the rope unraveling, just hold that in place. Just take a little bit of the duct tape, wrap it tight around the rope, and cut it with the scissors. That way the rope doesn't unravel. So make sure that the rope is tight and then feed it through at your end point. And then it's simple knot just to finish this off. And just clip off the last bit with the tape. And the cats will enjoy the end of the rope where it unravels. They'll be quite happy to play with that. That is a cat scratcher complete. Thank you.